Okay, I'm gonna do a little video here on my Chinese diesel heater in the basement with all my junk piled up. But here we go. Temporary fuel source. When I'm done, there'll be a 55-gallon drum sitting here full of fuel. Actually be sitting over this way. But there's my fuel filter, water separator, the exhaust pipe, which goes right on outside. Teed off on heat. This one goes in my bedroom. Tees off, goes into the next room. The other little bedroom, my big bedroom. This one comes around and goes back through there and up into the bathroom. So I'm heating 3 rooms off of this one little Chinese diesel heater. And my opinion, this is the cheapest heat that you can get, because they are alternate fuel source, like vegetable oil, used motor oil, kerosene, and you mix your used motor oil with kerosene and a little bit of gasoline, and this burns it just fine. There's a little muffler for it, but the exhaust just runs out underneath the concrete out to right there. So there is my Chinese diesel heater, folks. Enjoy. And yes, they are very reliable. This is my second one right here. I'm going upstairs to do a video on the first one I bought last year, and I ran it all year long on used motor oil and a little diesel fuel. And I'll tell you about that on the next video. Enjoy.